All right, we're going to go into how to install the XTech Tactical ATG storage kits. These will also work in the versions of the adjustable angle grip that we made for HexMag, Battle Arms, and Wraithworks. So you're just going to take the contents of your grip storage kit you just bought. As you can see on here, this says forward. So that's going to be facing towards the front of the pistol grip. So just this direction towards the barrel of the rifle. And then on this bottom door, you have the arrow facing forward as well. So both this part here and this part here will end up facing that direction. So what I recommend doing is, before any glue is involved, we're just going to grab our lower portion of the grip. And this is designed to be a tight press fit, so you'll just press it in and kind of get the hang of what your outcome is. So to lock it, you'll just grab a key or a coin, and now that is locked. Now we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue in. So how I glue this is I just put a very small amount on the letters. It was actually more than intended. That's okay. And then a little bit on the arrow area. And then I'm going to go again forward. So it'll be this side like that. And just press fit this sucker in, push down as far as it will go. It will sit below the bottom of the grip just a little bit like that. And that's for if you get any impacts, you know, it's going to protect the storage door there. And you are fully installed. That's all there is to it.